What should we do now?
The last bus leaves at 6 o'clock. Do not
Say
miss
cheese! We are in Fox Village!
it. The last bus leaves at 6 o'clock. Do not miss it. I will take the best photos today.
Let us go in. The foxes are waiting for us. We've finally arrived at Miko Zaya Fox Village. Travel is the best teacher, creating lifelong memories.
Hey, that is my snack, you playful boy.
Give me 5 more minutes. This light is perfect.
And as the sun sets, it is 5 o'clock. We must go now. The last bus is gone. How can we go home?
Mommy, I am so cold. The wind is freezing.
Do not worry. We can walk down the mountain.
It is so cold. The wind is too strong.
Mommy, is there something in the trees?
They are still behind us, Mark.
Maybe they want to play with us.
They smell the food. Keep moving.
But the path was so slippery.
Oh, careful, it is slippery.
We had to be really careful. And then we saw it.
Look! There is an old cabin! Run inside!
We ran as fast as we could. And finally, we made it.
We are safe now. Help me hold the door.
Oh, sweetie, are you hurt? Tell me.
Do not cry, sister. Have some water.
Oh no! The food smell is still here!
They smell the food nearby. That is why they follow us.
It is my fault, Mommy. I am so sorry.
No! Take the food! Leave us alone!
Are they happy now, Mommy?
I think they are gone. Everything is okay now.
There is only 1 bar of signal. Please connect.
Stay inside. We are coming.
In an abandoned wooden shrine, the family faced an expect is too strong. The little girl felt cold and weak.
Mommy, I am so cold. I feel weak.
A piece of snack fell from the side. The soil on the floor moved slightly. The father blamed himself.
This is all my fault. I am so sorry.
I only wanted good photos. I did not listen to the warning.
Daddy, I am not scared because you are here with us.
We are together, Mark, and we will stay together.
I understand now. No photo is worth this danger.
Do not worry, Mamer. I will protect you from the foxes.
Let us keep each other warm, my beautiful family.
Mark! Listen! Is that a car headlight outside?
We are here! Please help us! We are inside the cabin!
Stay inside. Do not open. We have food for them.
The abandoned wooden shrine at night. Wipe off the smell. Use these clean things now. Do not touch outside.
Good girl. Let us clean your face and neck, quickly.
This feels so warm and clean.
Come on, let us go. We are safe now. They like the BBQ snack. They think the girl is a food machine.
Oh, they just wanted my delicious snacks.
Some memories do not need photos. Love is enough.